Dear audience, we are going to learn the scalar matrix, unit or identity matrix, upper triangular matrix. Dear audience, the scalar matrix. If the non-zero entries of the diagonal matrix are equal to each other, then it is called the scalar matrix. Again, I repeat, if the non-zero entries of a diagonal matrix are equal to each other, then it is called scalar matrix. In this example, we find that the non-zero entries are 3, 3, 3, and they are equal to each other. So this diagonal matrix is a scalar matrix. Unit or identity matrix. A scalar matrix is said to be identity matrix if each of non-zero entries is 1. An identity matrix of order n is denoted by in, and sometimes it is denoted by only I. Here, an example is given, and here we find that it is the square matrix. Secondly, it is also the scalar matrix because all the entries along the principal diagonal are same and rest of the entries are 0. So it is the diagonal matrix as well as scalar matrix. But in this scalar matrix, all the entries, all the non-zero entries are 1. So it is also the identity matrix or unit matrix. And since it's the number of rows and number of columns are equal to each other, and the number of rows is 3 and number of columns is 3, so the order of this matrix is the 3. Now we are going to learn about the upper triangular matrix. Dear audience, the upper triangular matrix is defined The upper triangular matrix is defined as the matrix, scalar matrix, not scalar matrix, square matrix, having all the entries along the principal diagonal and above the principal diagonal are non-zero, and other entries are zeros. Again, I say the upper triangular matrix is defined as a square matrix whose all the entries along the principal diagonal and above the principal diagonals are non-zero, and other entries will be the 0. In this example, this is the square matrix, and here we find that the entries along the principal diagonal and above the principal diagonal are non-zero, and below the principal diagonal all the entries are 0. So this is the upper triangular matrix. Dear audience, I hope that you could understand the today's lesson. Again, I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.